The Guardian's Choice. We always try to help you to choose the right products. Guardian's Choice presents the 10 best surface cleaners. Let's get started with the list. Starting at our listed number 10. Even though the Greenworks original is limited to a maximum of 2000 psi, you can still get reasonable results without digging too far into your wallet. It takes little effort to use and keeps water from splashing onto siding and walls, so you can avoid water stains. It removes surface mold. However, it doesn't provide a deep clean, and it has a narrow 11-inch cleaning path. Next on our list at number 9. The Bewley works reliably with up to 4000 psi of pressure, making otherwise frustrating jobs, like cleaning a driveway, a breeze. It comes with a durable polypropylene cover that will help protect it for years to come. It glides over irregular surfaces, and it's equipped with dual handles for good control. But it is overpriced for the quality. Coming in at number 8 on our list. As long as you don't plan on cleaning any large or heavily soiled spaces, the 𝒍𝒐𝒗𝒆 can be a decent choice. Not only is it ridiculously affordable, but it weighs less than 2 pounds, so it shouldn't cause you much fatigue. It's equipped with high-quality fittings, and can be controlled with one hand. However, it's not suitable for very rough surfaces. Our newest choices can only be seen, the Guardian's Choice, or simply click beneath this video to visit. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome videos like this. At number 7. The Karcher T300 is made for those trickier surfaces, like rocky or uneven driveways, because it takes out grime without pulling out your precious walkway. It has an adjustable pressure dial for optimal control, and includes a 32-inch extension wand. It comes with 2 integrated carrying handles, and stores away compactly. But it's not compatible with all washers. Moving up our listed number 6. The Simpson scrubber has a rugged powder-coated steel casing and 2 rotating, high-pressure, stainless steel jets that can produce up to 3700 psi, though the jets are subject to clogging easily if you don't pre-rinse the area first. It doesn't leave streaks behind. However, note that you have to use it with cold water only, and there's no tank for detergent. Half up our list at number 5. The Yamaha ACC has a 15-inch diameter that makes it efficient for cleaning large spaces, but not so big that it can't get into tight areas. It connects to virtually any pressure washer and can clean an aggregate driveway without causing any loss of stones. It takes a minimal effort to move, and does a good job on brick. But no replacement parts available. At number 4. The Karcher 15-inch connects quickly to most pressure washers that run at 3200 psi or less. It spins 2 nozzles at a fixed height above the surface being cleaned to ensure it doesn't cause streaking. You can use it on everything from patios to sidewalks to wooden decks. It works on vertical surfaces too, and its splash skirt keeps users dry. However, the plastic hex nuts loosen over time. Our newest choices can only be seen, the Guardian's Choice, or simply click beneath this video to visit. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome videos like this. Nearing the top of our listed number 3. The Briggs & Stratton 6338 features a quick connect attachment that lets you get up and running in seconds. Its dome design does an exceptional job of controlling overspray, so neither you nor adjacent walls end up soaking wet and splattered with dirt. Rotating jets prevent streaking, and it works well on garage floors. It's equipped with an integrated detergent tank. At number 2. The Twinkle Star trigger gun offers an ergonomic handle for comfort during long projects, plus it features a safety lock to prevent accidental discharge. This unit is also effective on vertical jobs such as garage doors or siding. It works very quickly, and skirt keeps spray nicely contained. It comes with a quality brass connector. And, taking the top spot on our list, the Eerie outdoor stainless steel can spray 8 gallons of water per minute, and has a long handle, so you don't need to bend over to use it. The entire frame is designed to minimize user fatigue, and the rugged nylon brush skirt won't snag or tear on sharp objects. The rubber wheels roll smoothly, and it can be assembled in under 5 minutes. It stands up to frequent use. Our newest choices can only be seen, the Guardian's Choice, or simply click beneath this video to visit. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome videos.